What's up, y'all? Real quick, I just posted a video a few days ago talking about, making money with Kindle books, right? Putting them up on Amazon. So I just wanted to show you real quick. I did this before, just show you a little proof about how, making money. Here's the crazy thing. I don't even promote any of these books. I haven't been, which I need to, obviously, because I'm making, some sales. I told you I haven't went a month, without missing any book sales. So check this out real quick. So you see real quick, hopefully I ain't got too much information on here, but you see the days. This is like within a month's period. You're constantly seeing sales. One day I got 3 sales right there. Couple missed days, sale. Had about 4 or 5 days miss, but another sale, couple sales, and a sale today. Just to show you, and I don't even touch this. You want to talk about passive income? That's passive, baby. Alright guys, so you just seen that. This was a quick video, but just to show you what I was talking about, this is a way to make some passive income, and you can start this without spending any money at all. Just like I told you, just like I told you before, you don't have to spend money, but I did give credit to K Money Mastery. I feel like, without K Money Mastery, I wouldn't have learned, I wouldn't have been able to get these sales on a regular should ramp this up a little bit, because like I said, this is on pretty much autopilot, guys. Like I said, I haven't missed a month in 3 years of selling Kindle books. So if you want to check out K Money Mastery, link in the description, or you can I'll put a link to the video I just did talk about how you could do this without spending any money. So it's up to you, but just wanted to share that with you. And as always, be sure to comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, because I'm always dropping that content. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.